out here at Lake Murray again. We're gonna try to make it happen with the homie Levi. Apparently it's been getting pretty good, and I'm seeing some blow-ups out there already. So we're gonna try to get on a few, see what we can do. This place is like too confusing. Like I want to find a lake where they only eat like one thing, or like two things that are like actually fun to throw. Cause like I'm so sick of drop shot. Oh, I'm bit. Let's bite.
Oh yeah, get him. Yeah,
got him.
Let's go. Get him in, boy.
Gotta be the smallest fish I've ever caught out of here.
Dude, that's a micro bass.
That is a micro bass.
There yet, but I'm like on the other side of the pier from where you're at, and they're blowing up like insane, dude. There's like 4 spots where they've been like just busting all around, and then they literally almost literally hit.
Yo, I'm on a fish. Hold on. Yo, Levi, I'm on a fish. Got him.
Yeah?
Yep, got him.
You got him?
Yep. Oh, he's good. He's really good.
Okay. You have 2 already.
I'm him. Oh, he's like a dink. Dude, he's been caught before.
Yeah, how big is he?
Like a pound. He just fought really hard. All right, guys. Let's let him go. Bye-bye. Yo, that's a fish. Take your time. Yo, I just caught another.
Ew. Oh, that's a fatty.
Yeah, I caught it cast after cast. It was back to the fish were back to back. Guys, so I have a total of 3 fish, and it's actually seeming pretty good. It looks like the bite's turning on and the water's calming down a little. But Levi has none, so I think I might head over to him, or I'll fish these toolies. Oh, bite. He's eating it.
Get him. Hook it.
Let's go. I finally got him, dude. It's a feisty guy. Here. There we go. Yeah. Yo. He kept coming back for it. Like, bro, look how much further I can cast. I get 5 extra feet with this. Oh, look at that. Did you see that bite? That was a crazy bite. One just like came up and attacked it, bro. He's on it. He's like picking it up and swimming towards me. Yeah, he's on it. He's on it. Yeah, look at that.
Oh, yeah, you got him.
Hold on.
Set it.
Nice. Fish number 5.
Bro, what is going on? I have none.
It's so small. He's not small. What the heck? He's not. Wait, is he?
Is it a bass or a
It's like a 3-pounder. Oh my god, it's like a 3-pounder. No!
Grabbed it by the line.
Dude, that was like at least a 2.5. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it in my bag there.
Dude, I looked at some of the trout they catch. And
Oh, holy oh my god.
What?
It's fish 5. Oh.
Lose it.
Oh no. Ooh. Fish number 5. This would be my 7th fish if I were lucky, or 6th fish.
Oh, I need to put my glasses. He's gonna get it. Like, he's not like that big into fishing, but when we go to creeks and stuff, you'll
Got him.
Let's go.
No! Dang it. So should we just do it?
Let's just walk around the
Yeah. Got him. Yeah. All right, guys. So combined, we caught a total of what, like 7 fish, almost 8. Could have been 8, but just throwing around drop shot, one on the Ica. It's a pretty good day out here. I mean, spent the whole morning out. Could have landed that 7th fish, but it was still a great day. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.